Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in our vehicle-specific gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our single gauge package for the 2005 to 2013 C6 Chevrolet Corvette. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm analog 100 PSI fuel pressure gauge with a black face, a clear lens, and a color change button on the front. Also included in the package, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a 3-foot power harness, an LS fuel rail adapter, a fuel pressure sensor, a mounting bracket and hardware, a single gauge dashboard pod, a gauge visor for sun glare, and full color installation instructions. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or message us on any of our social media channels.